It's the holidays. Let's fry a turkey. Well, that didn't work. Let's try that again. Cooking safety applies to inside and outside of your house. If you're going to be frying a turkey this holiday season, keep these tips in mind. Make sure the fryer is nowhere near structures or trees that can catch fire. Make sure your turkey is fully defrosted and measure your pot with water first. Dry off the pot and your turkey and fill the pot with the appropriate amount of oil. Follow the proper cooking and safety instructions. Kitchen fires can also occur, so keep a close eye on the food that is cooking on your stovetop or in your oven so you can avoid this. If you do have a stovetop fire, cover the pan with a lid and turn the burner off. Let it cool completely before removing the lid. If you have an oven fire, close the door and turn it off. The oven should contain the fire. If the fire cannot be contained, call 911 and Morehead City Fire-EMS will respond quickly. The holiday season is about friends and family. While we love our community, I'm sure you do not want us at the dinner table. The Morehead City Fire-EMS wishes everybody safe and happy holidays.